You are learning AI in the wrong way. Do you want to know how? Then watch this video till the end. So you must have been shocked by hearing the first line, right? That you are learning AI wrong. So people nowadays are running fast, but they are running in a wrong direction. So let's be real for a few seconds, or for a few minutes right now. So right now, everyone is jumping into AI and they are doing prompt engineering, they do chatbots, and then they do content generation. And yes, we all know there are tools like Claude, which are very, very powerful. We have got Sonnet, we have got even the latest one. But you know what? Most of us are not ready to accept this uncomfortable truth. That is, using AI is not a skill anymore. It's the bare minimum. Like a DevOps engineer who knows how to use the Windows or the MS Office, right? So now you know how much is the difference. And you think people, I mean, not just you, it's everyone who think that if I learn Claude, I'll get a job in AI. But what the companies are thinking is, everyone knows this already. Everyone knows how to do prompt engineering, and everyone knows how to do Claude. So let me ask you one simple thing. If you have got 1,000 people who can write prompts, who can generate answers, who can create content, so what makes you different from those from the 1,000 people? Which skill makes you the odd man out? Nothing, right? And that's the problem here. As I told you, you are learning a tool instead of learning how to build with that tool. As I'm telling, we are all running fast, but we are running in the wrong direction, which means our efforts are going to go useless, right? I'm not saying Claude is a bad tool or it's not a bad AI thing. It's amazing, I would say, because most of us are using Claude for our daily day-to-day work, in our office, in our daily personal things. But if you start there, as I'm telling you again, you are starting in the wrong layer. It's like you're learning how to drive your car or how to drive your bike without you understanding the road, without you understanding what a curb is. Or you're learning how to type, but without knowing what to build, right? So you're not learning the bigger picture. You're becoming another user, right? Just another user who is using Claude, and you're not anymore a builder at this point. So let's talk about what companies actually pay for, or what companies are actually looking for, who they are actually looking for, right? Because they don't care if you can ask AI questions. Anybody can do it. But what they really care is, they care that if you can build AI workflows, if you can automate the processes, if you can connect the systems, and if you can deploy the solutions. These four things: building AI workflows, automate the processes, connecting systems, deploy solutions. And that's exactly where the magic word comes in. That is, the Microsoft Foundry comes in. And that's not just a tool, it's a platform. And that platform will help you to build real AI systems. And now you know what I'm talking about, right? And let's compare two people. For an example, let's say a person A who says that I use Claude to write code and content. And then there is another person B who tells that I build an AI agent which is using Azure AI Foundry that can read the logs. It uses the Claude for reasoning, and then it automatically fixes the issues, or at least it automatically drill down where the issue is, right? So who do you think will get hired at this point of time? Is that person A or person B? I'll give you the choice. So at this point, the person B is solving the business problems, and he is not just using tools like what most of us are doing. Most of us are becoming just the users of a tool. We are not just anymore an engineer, right? And if you want to break into AI, that's our objective, and that's everyone's objective. And if you want to break into AI, I'll tell you the smart path. The first thing is learn Microsoft AI Foundry, the Azure AI Foundry previously. Now it is Microsoft AI Foundry. Start building pipelines, create agents, understand the integrations. And that's the first step that you have to do. Second step, learn Claude. Add intelligence to your pipelines. Improve the decision making. Enhance your systems. And this is how you go from a very normal AI user to an AI engineer. And the third step is the very important one. Don't miss it. Subscribe to Vasant Tech Talk, because every day we talk about it. Every day we talk about improving the AI engineering way. So again, let me tell you, stop learning AI the wrong way. Stop running in the wrong direction. Don't chase the tools. Stop chasing the tools. Start building systems, start to solve the problems and become more valuable, give more value addition. And that's why I'm again telling you to start with the Microsoft Foundry and then use Claude the right way. Again, you have a lot of options. It's not just Claude. You can use any of the AI agents there. And again, follow for more real. I'm not going to have no BS tech content here. Just understand, we all have AI users everywhere, but the builders are getting hired. So now it's up to you. It's in your hand whether you're going to stay as an AI user or you're going to transform yourself into an AI builder. Thank you. See you all in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Vasant Shanmugam and your favorite Vasant Tech Talk. Take care and bye bye.